This was once a 1973 mobile home. This was the original vision, a custom Spanish-style residence. This project required Simpson strong walls throughout the entire structure. A crane was used to place and set end walls that had to be constructed on the ground. Every piece of exposed wood was hand-distressed using a variety of tools. A torch was used to soften and blend the distressed finish. All soot and char was then removed using a pressure washer. Motorized shade screens were installed across the home's rear elevation. Each wall required a double wall assembly to conceal the motorized shade system. Custom flashing was installed throughout to conceal the 2-inch space between mobile home and the new structures. We used an old-world stucco finish and mud-set Spanish tile for authenticity. Infratech heaters were installed beneath the rear porch areas. SAE Builders, built for a lifetime.